How to recover WhatsApp view one's photos, videos. So let's get started. There are a few ways you can try to recover the content if it is still available. First of all you have to do is update the WhatsApp to the latest version, and once done, tap on the open to launch the app on a mobile device and make sure you are logged into your WhatsApp account. WhatsApp only backs up the messages and media that have been downloaded or received before the View Once feature was used. If the View Once media is still in your backup, you might be able to restore it. So first of all you have to do is go to the WhatsApp settings by tapping on the settings in the bottom right corner of your screen. Now scroll down and there you will get to see chats option available. Simply tap on it and navigate to the chat settings. Here tap on the chats backup. Then tap on the backup option available there. If your backup is recent and you think the content might be included, proceed with restoring your backup. If the content was not downloaded or saved before it was viewed, since it means to disappear, it likely won't be in the backup. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.